Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we will create a multi-purpose storage wire basket. Friends, you need 14 bits of the plastic wires. Each bit should measure 105 centimeters or it is about 3.5 feet, 3.5 feet. Okay, now let us cut the wires. Here I have taken two colors, one lighter shade, the other one darker shade. Now we have to cut in the lighter shade about 14 numbers, each measuring of 3.5 feet or 105 centimeters. The other one is the running wire. Now let us cut the bits. This is 1 foot. This is second. Then third. So 3 times we have rolled it around the scale and take about 15 centimeters, which counts to 105 centimeters. So I have marked over here. Let me cut it. Using the first cut one as a template, you cut the rest of the 13 bits from the bundle. Now the 14 bits are ready and cut. Now we will start the procedure. Take the green wire and leave about 45 centimeters and then make a loop over here. Now take the cut bit one by one, fold it exactly in the half and then just insert it into the green loop. Bring the green wire on top of the orange wire and then you have two bits at the bottom. So take the down part of the orange wire, put it into the loop like this and pull all the four sides of the wires tightly together. So the floral knot is formed. Now do check it again whether the orange bits are of the same height. Try to adjust it. Now here you will find one is little longer, so you need to adjust the length. Tighten it. Now one wire we have added to the main color. Now the second floral knot has to be done. So make once again a loop with the green color. Take the bit orange color, the cut one. Fold it exactly into half so that it will be easier for you to continue. Then put it on top of the green. Now the down green wire will go on top and the down orange wire will go into the loop, forming the second floral knot. Once again hold it tightly and then pull the wire to form the knot. After forming, just check once again whether both the ends of the yellow wire are in equal length. So now we are in the last knot of the second row. We have completed the second row. Now we have the running wire here. So just like how we did on the other side, you measure the running wire along with the first green on the right hand side and then cut it. So we have an equal length of green wire. Now we have to begin the third row from the left, move to the right, and again you have to cut the green wire. Friends, this is the first line of floral knots we did. So this will be the center for the base. So you take a jump clip and put it over here just for our guidance. So on either side of this line, that is the center line for the base, you need to do about 6 rows. This side as well as this side. You will get a square piece for the base. Now let us start the next row. This is the left side wire. I am measuring it, leaving the exact length, and then form the loop with the running wire. Take the orange, put it on top of the green loop, green on top again, then orange into the loop. Pull the wire, make the floral knot. Then similarly repeat the same for the second and continue the row to complete it. Now we have completed the base for the basket. So we have wires on all the 4 sides. Now we will start with the running wire. We will start at one corner and continue the stitch all over the basket to give the depth for the basket. Now this is the corner for the base. Now we have to start with the running wire and keep knotting it throughout on all the 4 sides, thereby giving the depth for the basket. So to begin with, leave about 2 to 3 inches, then make a loop on the running wire, wrap the first wire on top of it, the orange color, continue the knot. This is the starting point and we will continue the step on all the 4 sides. Now we will be completing the row from one corner to the other corner. Now we need to turn the corners. So just turn the side and keep continuing the knot with the same running wire. Do not cut it. Now this is the running wire. We have completed one row and the corner we have turned the running wire and the first knot is done over here. Now keep continuing the next side also and then the third and the fourth side. Now we are going to complete the second side. The wire has to be turned. Continue the knot with the same running wire. Now we are going to complete the third side. So friends, we have completed 5 rows on all 4 sides with the running wire to give the depth for the basket. We need to do 2 more rows and then we will complete the basket. So friends, now we have finished the basket by giving the height 7 rows on all the 4 sides. Now we need to close it. So before closing it, this is the running wire we have been using to give the depth for the basket. Leave about 5 to 7 inches in length. Cut the wire. Now just see how it is to be done. We will stop the knotting here itself. Now we need to push all these bits of wires standing on top. Take the wire, leave the first knot, insert the wire into the second knot. To make the basket sturdy. Just tighten it, then into the third, into the fourth, and finally we can stop with the fifth. So for 5 rows we have inserted the extra wire which was standing out. Repeat the same for the rest. So friends, now I have inserted the extra wire into the inner portion of the basket. Now these ends should be cut. Friends, the item is ready. It's a multi-purpose storage wire basket. I will show you how it can be used. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. Keep creating. Stay tuned. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.